Look at the screen, $5.3 million in my Phantom wallet. While everyone else is stuck losing money, trading in the trenches, I built this by switching sides. I stopped buying and started creating. All right, guys, we are on Photon right now. As you can see, when we choose Pump.fun to the filters and look, hundreds of new coins are being created. Literally every second. That's really bad because no one will be able to see our coin among these hundreds of newly created coins. Pump.fun is very saturated these days and it doesn't really work anymore. On the other hand, if we come to the filters and choose Raydium, you will see that only a few coins are being created every minute. That's really good because compared to Pump.fun, we have much higher chance of creating a successful coin. Now, most people do not lose money in meme coins because they're just bad at trading. They lose because they only trade and do not move on to better strategies. They just buy into coins, right? Hoping for a quick pump. But the complete opposite happens. They get completely liquidated by the fucking dev of the coin, which means the person who created the coin dumps on them and takes all the money of everyone. Now, the truth is that in 2026, bro, deving meme coins has become way more profitable, way safer than trading. Launching coins costs nothing. It costs $0 to make coins. So I would highly recommend starting deving, launching coins, waiting for people to buy in, and then dumping it for profits, and then rinse and repeat that method over and over again. Now, when you launch your own coin, bro, you become the one in control of your own coin, which means you decide what you want to do. Do you want to clip profits or do you want to just dump it directly and move on to the other coin? It's up to you. And in this video, bro, I will be exposing the whole strategy, okay? I will do a live example. I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how to dev meme coins professionally. All in this video, bro. Keep watching. It's gonna be fucking insane. Nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you the back-end mechanics of how this works. That's it. Look, I'm moving away from Pump.fun because it's just too saturated right now. Coins are dropping every second, but I'm launching on Raydium to actually get eyes on the project and hit a real market cap. I'm using launchmeme.fun because every coin there hits Raydium instantly. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this site. Now, you can build from scratch or use my other method. If you're going from scratch, just hop on X, find a narrative that's trending and bring it back here. Pick a name, a ticker, and an image, and you're live. It's that simple. But honestly, I'm all about this second method, copying trending coins. Every coin you see on this tab already has a narrative that works. They're going viral and pulling massive volume on Pump.fun. The play here is to bridge that viral narrative over to Raydium. You're essentially capturing a wave of buyers and conversions because the hype is already proven. Let's run a live example so you can see exactly how much this method pulls in. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Hit refresh and find a target. I'm going with this level 941 coin. Looks solid and you can see that the market cap is fucking insane now. Click copy to Raydium right here. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Give it a second to load and boom, your token is live on the Solana blockchain. Check Soul Scan, we're live on chain 12 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Raydium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool, and then just wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see a warning, just ignore it. And yeah, it shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then confirm and I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, the level 941 coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin, and then your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at any given moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 140 bucks, which is a 441% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to promote memes.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on dexscreener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Pigeon, select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and at last click confirm and you are done. Now just watch, it's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 2,000 or 3,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro, more people are buying in. I think we're up like $5,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars and just hit 7,000 market cap. This is insane if the meme is hot. And if you use the right tool for Memecoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. Now, a bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back and bang bro, we are up to a $9,000 market cap. It's actually fucking insane and it has only been like a couple of minutes, like it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now I think I'm gonna, dump it. Now come back to launch meme.fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 7K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet to just show up and then ignore the block, click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm, and bang bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $7,540 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. All websites will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out.